For more than 40 years, Bowman Kemp Basement Window Systems has been an industry standard and have created more usable square footage in new home construction than almost any other practice. These window systems enhance natural sunlight, improve ventilation, and provide easy egress in case of emergency.
Hi, my name is Trey Lamborn. I'm the founder of Egress Solutions. Today we're going to show you how to retrofit an egress window into a basement foundation. Come on, I'll show you. As you can see, the hole was already dug. The gentleman cutting the foundation has marked the foundation to the precise measurement of the window. After he marks it, he'll make a scratch cut with a saw that's dry and then hook up water to it, start beginning the real cut through the foundation for the window. After he cuts the outside, he begins drilling through the four corners. This particular foundation was an added thickness and still under construction, so we're able to complete the cut from the inside. So after marking the four corners from the outside, he comes to the inside, transfers those marks to the same measurements as the outside, so he can then begin cutting through the foundation again to make everything connect. Once the cut is complete, the concrete's removed from the opening. We start to clean up and just chisel off any loose concrete. Frame the whole thing in wood and set a window in that way. But this one, obviously, we're leaving that concrete up above, not only for structural support for the load for the floor above, but also to get us close enough to the floor to meet egress code. Cleanup continues with a hammer chisel just to take off any loose ends of concrete, clean the hole up so the window will fit in exactly. Next, he'll double check all of his dimensions, both on the height and the width. Once he's satisfied with that, he'll actually take the window, clean up the opening, and dry fit it, just to make sure before he commits to actually attaching the window to the opening. This particular window has a full vinyl frame, so it can be in direct contact with concrete. He's happy with the fit. He'll shim the window just to be sure, make sure it's level, plumb, and square. And once he's got the window precisely where he wants it, he can bolt it and spray foam it to the foundation. Pay special attention to seal up any kind of voids, unevenness in the concrete, so that there's no water infiltration or air. Now he's ready to set the well. He'll measure exactly where he wants the well to start, drill through the foundation, he'll put an anchor through the well, lowers the well into the hole, wants to make sure obviously that the window is centered on the well. He'll set his first anchor point at the top so that the well is 3 or 4 inches above grade, so you don't have any water or snow buildup and leak into the well. Make sure the well is plumb. Caulk it where the well meets the foundation. Again, to avoid any kind of water infiltration. Finish bolting the outside where the well meets the foundation. Okay. Next, we install the escape ladder. A ladder is needed when there's more than 44 inches between the bottom of the well and the top of the well. The ladder simply hangs on the inside. Next comes the safety grate, which slides on top of the well to prevent any kind of accidental fall-ins. The Lexan cover fits on top of that, which keeps out any of your leaves, debris, or snow. The window, as you can see, has been finished off on the inside with mortar. This is a 4-foot by 4-foot slider window, which would be the minimum slider size to meet egress. Next, you'll see inside the well, it's been filled with gravel. There's actually a drain that connects to the exterior perimeter drain on the house. So if there is any water that seeps into the well, it can easily drain away. This well is approximately 5 feet deep. You can see in the video that there's a 6-year-old girl and her mother who can easily slide the grate off the top, walk up the ladder, and clearly escape the basement in case of emergency. After the daughter clears the ladder, her mother can follow her up and be away from any harm. In a conventional basement, the same 6-year-old girl, there's no way she'd be able to get out of that basement. Even with the assistance of her mother, who helps to lift her up, there too she cannot get out. The mom tries herself to hold herself up while trying to open the window, even slides a bench over to now open the window, but finds that she can clearly not climb out through that size opening. An important fact with all of this is that all of this takes time. In case of emergency, especially a fire, time is of the essence. With the basement egress window system, we add safety and sunlight for both you and your loved ones. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information about egress window systems, please contact us at 856-488-0347 or at our website at theegresssolution.com. Thank you.